In this example, we are going to use if error with VLOOKUP. So there are quite a few times when you find any value which is not available in the list. Excel gives you an error. If you want to provide some message which is human readable, you can use VLOOKUP with if error. So first we are going to understand the syntax of if error. It's if error value in which you can expect, like if you're expecting any error in this value. So that is the first parameter, and the second parameter is value if error. So we can provide a numeric value over here, or we can provide a text value over here, or we can provide a date value over here. So in this very example, what we're going to do is we're going to provide a text value. So value dot and source, for example. So we're going to do use this example in our VLOOKUP, and we'll see that how it works. So for the same reason, I'm going to write a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP this, and we want to look up that specific value in this table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want 8 column. So I press comma 8, comma 0. You can see that we got that specific range over here. I want to make this range absolute. I've selected this range and pressed F4, and as soon as I click enter, it is showing us the specific value. So what I've done is I've just copied this thing over here. So for example, someone types Red Bull like this, and it is giving us an array. So array is not very human readable. What we want is, instead of error, we need a proper error message. What we can do is if error in this statement, then type not found in source table. So as soon as we press enter and we copy this thing downwards, you can see that it is giving us a proper error message. So this is how we can use if error with VLOOKUP. Thank you so much.